Welcome to Natural Healthy Cooking. In this episode, we present you 100% oil-free mixed vegetable fry. The ingredients are chopped banana 200 grams, chopped potato 100 grams, chopped capsicum 70 grams, chopped carrots 30 grams, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, green chili paste 1 teaspoon, dhania powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon. Take a mixing bowl and transfer the banana cubes into it. Add potato cubes, carrot cubes, capsicum, green chili paste, dhania powder, turmeric, garam masala and ginger garlic paste. Now thoroughly mix all the ingredients with your hand. And rest the vegetables for 10 to 20 minutes. "20 minutes later, we are going to put the marinated vegetables into a pan and cook in the air fryer. Each air fryer has a different preset and manual cook setting. Follow the instructions of your air fryer manual. We are using a Philips air fryer. We are cooking these vegetables at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. We advise you to remove the pan after half time and check whether any flip is required or reduction in time. 20 minutes later, remove the tray. They look perfectly cooked. These vegetables can be cooked in a non-stick pan and a halogen oven. But we have found cooking in air fryer makes the vegetables not just healthy but also keeps them crispy and enjoyable. If you find our video useful, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching Natural Healthy Cooking.